always check the rotation of the tire. This tire on this Mercedes is installed backwards. The rotation should be that way, not this way. You see those? They should be pointing in the opposite direction. To prove it, you always want to take a look at the rotation here. If your tire has a rotation, see, the rotation is when you're driving it forward. So it's actually pointing in the opposite direction. That means the tire would be rotating that way. That means the car would be moving back for this tire to be rotating in the correct direction. Always check the rotation of your tires. If your tires have a rotation, please check them. That one is installed in the backward direction as well.